How to find a Gmail account by phone number. Forgot your Gmail address but still have access to your phone number? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to recover your Gmail account using your phone number in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open your browser. Open Chrome or any web browser on your Android phone or iPhone. Step 2. Go to the Forgot Email page. Visit Google's Forgot Email page. Step 3. Enter your phone number. Type the phone number linked to your Google account, then tap Next. Step 4. Enter your name. Enter your first and last name exactly as you used them when creating your Google account. Tap Next. Step 5. Verify your identity. Google will send a verification code to your phone number. Enter the code and tap Next. Step 6. View your Gmail address. After verification, Google will display the Gmail address or addresses associated with that phone number. Clapperboard outro. And that's it. You've successfully found your Gmail account using your phone number. Keep in mind that this only works if you have access to the linked phone number. It can't be used to find someone else's Gmail account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy tech tips.